Hi! My name is Breezy. To sing with me is easy. Just listen to my happy song. Then follow me and sing along. Hi! Everybody knows Old MacDonald's farm.
Yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here and a chick there. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack here and a quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink here and an oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hey! Great! Now we're gonna sing Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush. First, I'll sing a chorus, then you, then me, then you. Oh well, here we go round the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Okay, now you sing. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands so early in the morning. Now I'll sing it. This is the way we dry our hands, dry our hands, dry our hands. This is the way we dry our hands so early in the morning. Now you sing it again. Come on. This is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands so early in the morning. Now we'll all sing it. Come on. This is the way we warm our hands, warm our hands, warm our hands. This is the way we warm our hands so early in the morning. Now let's all sing a song of sixpence, nice and pretty. Sing a song of sixpence, pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to sit before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in her parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes. Down came a blackbird and snipped off her nose. Sing a song of sixpence, pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Watch out for the pop! Here goes the weasel! All around the cobbler's bench, the monkey chased the weasel. That's the way the monkey goes. Goes the weasel. I've got no time to wait or sigh, no time to wheedle, only time to say goodbye. Goes the weasel. All around the cobbler's bench, the monkey chased the weasel. That's the way the monkey goes. Goes the weasel. I've got no time its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. Made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Okay now, kids, we're all gonna sing together now. Ready? And so the teacher turned him out, turned him out, turned him out. So the teacher turned him out, but still he lingered near. It waited patiently about, about. It waited patiently about for Mary to appear. What makes the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. What makes the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Oh, Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Now this is the story of the cow that jumped over the moon. We're all gonna sing it. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Oh, that's good. Let's do it once more with la-las here, okay? You know how to la-la-la. Come on. La-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. And the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey, that was great. Sing it, gang, come on. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Come on, louder this time. Then up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper. He went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. That's it. Now come on, we're going to sing it once more but louder. Ready? Go! Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Come on now, louder. Go, go! Then up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper. He went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. This is the tale of little Bo-Peep and her lost sheep. Little Bo-Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Little Bo-Peep fell fast know Baa Baa Black Sheep?
Yeah.
Want to sing it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives in the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Hey, I've never seen 3 bags of black wool before, have you?
No.
Yeah, hey, let's sing it again. 1, 2.
1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives in the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
There he goes with his bags of black wool. Let's all sing Hush-a-bye Baby now, huh? Come on.
Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetops. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come baby and cradle and all.
Gosh, let's sing that once more, huh? Come on.
Hush-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come baby and cradle and all.
Aww. Everybody has their favorite star. I have mine too.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Starlight, star bright, first star I've seen tonight. Wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Oh, let's sing it again, huh? Come on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Starlight, star bright, first star I've seen tonight. Wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Look at it twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. This is the story of old King Cole, who was a merry old soul.
Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers 3.
Now every fiddler he had a fine fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he. Then tweedledee went the fiddlers. Oh, there's none so rare as can compare with King Cole and his fiddlers 3. Oh,
Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he.
kids ever see Three Fiddlers? You did? Yeah, me too. Hey, sing the last line again. Come on.
Old King Cole was a merry old soul and a merry